This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a decent resolution photo and an editor that can simulate depth. First, duplicate the background layer to preserve the original. Next, open the Depth or Portrait tool. This is where you'll define foreground versus background. Use a quick selection or subject detection tool to mark the person. That gives the software a mask to calculate blur. Make sure edges are neat and the mask is continuous, because accurate masks produce realistic separation between subject and background. Now you'll build the actual depth map that controls blur intensity. Once you have a clean subject mask, invert it to isolate background areas you want blurred. If your editor generates depth automatically, inspect it and paint corrections. White areas mean closer, black means farther. Apply a gradient or multiple zones for mid-distance transitions. Then add a blur filter, Gaussian or lens blur, to a duplicate background layer and feed it the depth map, so blur increases naturally with perceived distance. Finish by balancing the effect so it feels natural. Tweak blur strength and add slight bokeh highlights if available, then raise edge contrast to separate the subject cleanly. Zoom in and inspect hair, glasses, or translucent edges. Refine the mask with a soft brush where the automatic tool fails. If you see haloing or incorrect blur, paint corrective tones on the depth map darker for more blur, lighter to bring details forward. Export a flattened copy and keep the layered file for future fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.